Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a spudger. These tools will be essential for safely opening the laptop and removing the charging port. Start by powering off your HP 15DA0031NS and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and lifting it out. This step is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage during the repair. Now locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver or spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Locate the charging port, which is typically situated near the power input area. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the area around the charging port using compressed air to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Next, disconnect the charging port from the motherboard. This usually involves removing a few screws that secure the port in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any additional screws that may be holding the port. Once the charging port is free, take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Ensure that it is firmly attached to avoid any future connectivity issues. At this point, if this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you prefer, we can handle the repair for you, providing collection and delivery at your home. This way, you won't have to worry about any calls or travel. After securing the new charging port, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring that all clips are aligned. Replace all screws to secure the back panel in place. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your laptop to test the new charging port. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the charging port on your HP 15-DA0031NS. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding with any further work. This repair not only saves you money, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.